Hey guys, so in this quick video, I'm going to share with you my funded futures and what are the things that you have to be aware of for the challenge, like important things. So you can have like 3 account sizes here. You have like 50k, 100k, 150k, and it really depends if you want to go with the scale, core, or the pro. And you have some kind of like the differences then in those accounts. So here, as you can see, for example, for the 50k, you're gonna have like 3k profit, and you have it like everywhere. You have like the positions for the free contracts, for the 2000, for the max drop down, and you don't have daily loss limit, so that's good. And you don't have it in each of those plans. So also you don't have any activation fee, you just pay monthly, and you have minimum trading days like two. So also very important thing, trading drawdown rules. Trading only moves at the end of the day. So let's say you're going to make 1k and ending balance is going to be 51k. Trailing moves from 48k to 49k. Always stays $2 behind the highest end of the day balance. So this is something that you have to be aware of. Also, payout frequencies every 14 days. And then there are like rules that you have to be aware of. So news trading are allowed during evaluation. So not allowed on the kind of like funded phase. ES and copy trading is allowed on all account types. And then also consistency rules. So you have 50%. You cannot make more than 50% of the profit target in the day. These are the rules that you have to be also aware of. Also, it really depends on the plans here. So we can have like a reset fee. Then you have also like the scaling rule here, the micro scaling, because like for example when you go pro here, you don't have the scaling rule here. So that's also you don't have consistency rule, so that's something you have to be aware of. And you need to take one trade every 7 days. So you can't like trading news on the funded sim phase, then also volatiling, consistency rules, inactivity, anything worth DD rules, and scalping rules. So if you have high frequency automation, that's something they don't like. So you don't have any daily limits, you have unlimited time, you have cheap pricing, so the pricing is good. And then also ES copy trading is allowed, fast payouts, no activation fees, but you cannot trade news while funded, 7-day inactivity rule, and dashboard stats update slowly. So these are the things that you have to be aware of. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you have a great day, and goodbye.